you volunteer for this project?
I mean, it was something to get me out of lesson and not much else. I mean, I enjoy gardening to an extent, but most of the time it's just weeding and digging, which makes my spine ache, and it's a lot of suffering, but I mean, when you're doing it with other people, it's much more enjoyable.
You know what, I respect that. So that's also why you chose to volunteer for this, I assume?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, is there anything about improving the community in there? Like, is that one of your motivations for doing this?
I mean, I live so far away in Hampton Wick that this community isn't really my community, but I mean, there's no reason not to plant some flowers. They always look pretty no matter where they are.
Yeah, and you know what, I agree. And it's also a bit slightly about the bonding of two schools, right? I mean, you know, there may have been some schisms in the past between Greycourt and German schools. Now it seems that we can come together and do something peaceful, like plant flowers.
Yeah, I mean, we have done multiple meetings in previous years, but they don't really come to compare to what we've done today.
Yeah, I agree.